Namaste and welcome to the third module of the Foundation Gita Intelligence video series. In this edition, we will discuss the concept of self. Understanding what is self will help you to realize the seamlessness of existence and the unity that underlies every being. This understanding is crucial for the appreciation of various aspects of Karma Yoga. The infinite pure energy is the source from which the universe emanated and evolved, creating the universal forces of nature. Therefore, the infinite is the source of all existence. It is also the source of all knowledge and harmony. The universal forces, becoming the material manifestation of the pure infinite, came with the properties of nature of rhythm, motion, and inertia. Life sprouted in the universe, giving rise to living entities, the individuals. The infinite is existence, knowledge, and bliss. The universal carried forward the very nature of infinite into the material manifestations. The individual carried forward the nature of the universal into life manifestations. The individual owes its existence to the universal. The universal owes it to the infinite for its existence. The infinite is existence itself. When the infinite expresses as the universal, the universal, is bound by the limitations of space, time, and causation, guided by rhythm, motion, and inertia. And when the universal expresses as the individual, the individual, is bound by the universal forces of nature as well as the individual limitations imposed by the nature of ego, intellect, mind, and the sensory apparatus. Let us call the principle behind each level of existence as the infinite self, which is existence itself, the universal self, empowering the universe and its governing laws, the individual self, enlivening the body, mind, intellect, ego, equipment. The infinite self, or that which encompasses everything, is eternal and pure. It's called as the Brahman. The universal, loading over everything that is the universe, is termed Ishvara. The individual, enabling thoughts, words, and deeds of the beings, is the Atman. The individual self enabling this is the Atman. At the individual level, we call it the Atman or the self because of this. The thoughts, words, and deeds of the individual is a product of ego, intellect, mind, and the physical capabilities. Every individual identifies with the physical being and the ideas and emotions of the intellect and mind respectively. The natural tendency would thus be to satisfy the ego and the body mind intellect equipment. That is why selfishness sets in. We become motivated by selfishness. When we are able to transcend this selfishness by fixing our mind on the self as the enlivening power, the focus being shifted away from the pleasurable body, mind, intellect equipment, our motivations become supreme. So this is a very brief explanation of self. Understanding this is crucial to understanding the joys of the self, the motivation for the joys of the self, which will be our next module. Till then, namaste and thank you.